Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Following that, click on App Notifications right away and then select All. Now just click on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Now you can finally click on the blue switchers next to one of your apps from which you want to block them. In order to switch them back on, hit the same now gray switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!